Good day, welcome back to my iPhone tips and tricks. And today I want to talk about the app library. If you're anything like me, you have a lot of apps, right? If I scroll down, you can see I have a lot of apps, and sometimes it's a little difficult to find the app that you want. And so you come here to your app library. You can use the search at the top over here, no problem for that. But maybe something is a bit faster. So if you want a list of all your apps, okay, all of these apps, and you want to search it, all you do is you swipe down like that, and then you will see there's a list of all your apps, and you can, of course, then go to the app you want. If you want to go back to your home screen, all you do is swipe to the right like that, okay? And if you want to delete an app, you know that you just have to press in a blank space on the screen, so you can just do the same here. And there you can see you can delete any app that you want to. That's an easy way. I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.